Hello everyone. Now we are going to revise conjunction. Okay. In my previous class, I have taught you about what is conjunction. There are several examples I have given you. Some of the sentences which I told you to note down in your notebook. So that is very important. I have focused on conjunction just because it is a very important chapter. Okay, for your till your whole class 12. Okay, in class 12 also you will get to solve conjunctions, sentences, questions related to conjunction. So it is very important to clear your concept at a basic level. Understood? Now this is very easy, but you have to keep your attention on the words, okay, where you have to use that particular words. Understood? And or, these both words are used to separate two things. Understood? To separate two things, mango and apple, mango or apple. Okay, these both sentences are look like similar, but the meaning of the both sentences are different, totally different. Understood? So we have to know the use of these words. Understood? Now let's start. This is a recap of conjunction. So pay attention. What is conjunction and what conjunctions are also called? Okay. Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are used to join two more words, group of words or sentences. Okay, now I am just explaining you one more little things, because so that your concept will be clear. Okay, conjunction are used to join. Now conjunctions means the words of conjunctions. Okay, and because although these all are words of, it is used in joining the sentences. Okay, so these are the particular conjunctions. Okay, two or more, join two or more words. What is two or more words? Like mango and apple, mango or apple, these are words. Okay, now as I was telling you, group of words. Now what is group of words? When we write mango, comma, apple, comma, banana and grapes. So what is this? This is group of certain words. Okay, or sentences. Now what is sentences? When in my previous classes I was telling you, Rahul likes to eat ice cream and milkshake. Okay, so there will be two sentences. Rahul likes to eat ice cream, Rahul likes to eat milkshake. Okay, so these are the sentences. So we have to rejoin the sentences into a particular single sentence. So we can write Rahul likes ice cream and milkshake. It means Rahul likes both the things. Understood? Now example, coming towards the example, Jack, Jill, these both are words and we are joining these words by using a conjunction. And what conjunction we have used here? And. Okay, the words but, okay, the words and, but, or, because are called conjunctions. So these are the particular words which we are using in conjunction. There are more words, okay, but we are taking it as an example. See, the joining words and adds two or more words or sentences, as I have told you before. Okay, Harry is good at singing and dancing. So when I will ask the question, I will say Harry is good at singing, Harry is good at dancing. So you have to join the sentence, okay, by using and. So the sentence will be Harry is good at singing and dancing. Clear? Now, okay, Ram is tall but Shyam is short. Okay, and when I will give you the question, I will write Ram is short and Shyam is Ram is tall, Shyam is short. So then how you will join the sentence? You will join the sentence by using but. Okay, but. Now I have tea or coffee. Now as I told you, where you will use and or, and it means we have two things. We are having both the things, but or is explaining only you have one thing. Okay, where you have an option. You can choose tea or you can choose coffee. There is an option. You can't take both. See, I can have tea or coffee. He can take only tea or the coffee, not the both. Understood? Now, this is sentence where because has been used. Understood? I did not participate in the show because I was unwell. Okay, she is reasoning. She is giving her reason why she did not participate in the show. Okay, because she was not well. Understood? Now, let's move on. So these were the examples of conjunction, and these all examples are very important. So note all the examples in your grammar notebook and send it me on WhatsApp. And remember one thing, don't forget to write down your dates, write down the headings, and don't ever forget to write in cursive writing. Understood? Thank you so much.